Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Cardi B up dance that is trending at the moment. Now, before I show you the preview, I just want to say that this dance is actually an easy dance. You don't need to exaggerate all the movements, so if you keep it small, you should be able to get it. Let's go. Alright, so let me start by showing the first section that we're about to learn. Alright, so it goes like this. Wah, 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 wah. Hey! Hey guys! I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. So, your arms are sitting right, left, right, left. Yeah, so it's to the front, down, down. Yeah, I'm going behind my legs. Alright, so top, left, right, left. Let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, down, right, left. Alright, pretty easy, right? Now, what you wanna do is also go a bit down in level, yeah? And then if you want, you can use this hip movement, yeah? A. Yeah, so I'm throwing my hip here, doing these thrusts here to the front every time I hit. So prep, go back, hit, prep. A. So let's just try that. Go a bit down. Then I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna start 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, 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 boom. Yeah. If you don't know how to do it at the same time, just practice this and then add this. Alright? And A. Or if you want to keep it simple, just A. Now from here, what you want to do is go round. Alright? Your arms are going up, your body. Now actually the original version actually goes like this. Musical-ish. But kind of like this. Boom, clap. Alright, so it's 1, 2, clap. Yeah, you don't need to do this if you think it's going too fast. I think some people also just wiggle. Hey. So it's 1, 2, clap. Now let's take it from the tip to the top. What you want to do is say right, left, down, 1, 2, clap. Okay, so let's just try that. So from the tip to the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, down, right, left, round, 2, clap. Maybe let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, down, right, left, and around, 2, clap. Feel free to practice on your own if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Alright, next part is going to be even easier, I promise. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So right after we go whoa, clap, the next one goes wah, 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 A. Alright, now let me break it down for you. I'm going to show you the exaggerated moves, yeah, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and then it's up to you if you want to do a more simplified version. Alright, so what I'm doing is when I do wah, 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 my legs are doing left, right, left, and right, left, right. Yeah, so when I do it fast, a bit faster, it goes wah, 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 wah. My arms are saying right and left. And pretty simple, right? When you combine it, it's gonna be, pull up your arm here on the first step, wah and back, wah and back. Alright, so when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, just practice on your own if you need to. If you want a more simplified version, you can also, step out. Up to you. Alright, so just the wah, 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 wah. What you want to do now is basically just say jump, lift up your left knee, A, and then opposite. Pretty simple, right? Your arms are just going sweep over to the leg that you're lifting here. Whoop. A. sweep, and a sweep, and. Let's just try that. We're gonna say jump, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and a jump, and. Alright, so let's just do this mini section 2 again. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go wah, 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 8, 8. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go wah, wah, back, and a wah, wah, back, and a jump, 8, jump, 8. That was pretty slow. Let's do a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, 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 and a jump, jump, and. Okay, so once you feel comfortable with mini section 2, let's put mini section 1 and 2 together. Yeah, so from the tip to the top, let me just do a quick recap here. It goes wah, 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 clap, and jump and sweep and sweep and. Alright, we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, down, right, left, and around, round, clap, and jump and sweep and sweep and a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, down, right, left, and around, round, clap, and jump and sweep and sweep and. Okay, once you're comfortable with that, let's have a look at mini section 3. Let me show you a quick preview of mini section 3 here. It goes boom and boom and boom, 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 hey. Alright, now break down. So, the end of mini section 2 was sweep, and now from here you keep jumping, lifting your right leg, and go hammer, and. Alright? So 2 times, I go boom, and notice how I'm rotating a bit here to my left side. So we'll sit to the front, go jump, and the reason why I move over here is because I want to do this. Alright? Now, let me explain how to do that. What is the easiest way? So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to show you to the side here. I'm leaning, I'm going a bit down in level, and then I want to say my hip here. And notice how my leg is twisting. Hey, that's kind of to help my hips say boom, boom, boom. I'm just gonna show you from different angles here so you can see what I am doing. Alright? Now it doesn't need to be that exaggerated, right? Hey. Basically you can just wiggle your foot if you want. Hey, that also works. Anyways, at the same time you wanna, take your hands, feeling it. So boom, boom, boom. 3 times, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's try and practice that. So we're gonna go hit, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, remember the prep where you go up and then go 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hit, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit, and 1, 2, 3. I'm just exaggerating so you see what I'm doing, right? Okay guys, we're almost there, hang in there. So, last mini section, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes, this was end of 3, so the new one is A, boom, A, and then there's a freestyle part on the up. Alright, let me break that down for you. So, you want to say right after end of 3 here, you want to go jump, hit both your knees, and then you want to drop down like that. Yeah, bam! And then once you go up, you roll back up. Now you can either, just roll up like that, or you can, jump up, whatever you want. Alright, let me just rewind a bit. So from here, we say hammer, down, roll. And the final move, clap. Yeah? And then there's a freestyle, do whatever you want on up. Okay? So let's just rewind. The end of 3 was this. You want to say hammer, down, roll it, clap, and up. Now again, you don't need to do it as exaggerated, up to you. But let's try and practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, down, roll it, clap. Let's try one last time. 5. Let's stand like this. This is where we ended. We're gonna go whoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down and roll it, clap. Freestyle. 8. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top, starting from the beginning. Alright, so let me just do a quick recap here. A full dance run through. So it goes boom, hit, down, hit, and a roll, 2, clap, and a left and a right and sweep and jump, hit, and 1, 2, 3, and hammer and down and roll it, clap before we say freestyle. A. Okay, let me just quickly show you the timing. So it goes, you know that's right, big bang, na 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 na. It's big, na 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 na. Working back, body back, na 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 na, and it's up, na na na, and so on. All right, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big, bad, da 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 da. Na 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 na. It's big and na 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 and working back, body back and ma clap and up down. All right, let's do that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big, bad. Na 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 na. It's big. Na 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 na. Barking back, body back, and ba 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 ba. Okay, guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again, and then eventually you should be able to do something like this. I'm just gonna show you the real tempo. All right, so it goes, you know that's ba big bang, na 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 na. It's big, na 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 na, and working back, body back, ba ma na ma, and back and na na. Hey, now, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you don't need to exaggerate all the movements, right? So when you do the dance and you need to do it fast, you can be like, you know, this way you should be able to do things much faster, all right? So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Cardi B up dance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments, all right? Thank you guys so much, and until next time.